Alright, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be hitting up Pick Apart. We're doing another parts run. I'm primarily only going there for one thing. That's going to be these little tiny green plugs that connect the fan to the car. Currently I'm running the stock radiator with a Jeep fan on it, which I only have one fan. So I ordered a new Speed Daddy setup. It's the radiator, 2 fans on the back. The car only came with one fan, one stock fan. So I only have one plug to wire the Speed Daddy fan to. So I'm gonna have to go get a new plug. There's an Integra just like this. Just got there a couple days ago. We're heading to Ontario. We're looking at about a 30-minute drive to get there. Traffic's pretty bad right now, so it might be longer. So we're going there for a plug. I might actually end up getting the snap ring from the back as well. I do need that. Right now I'm just trying to get this car daily ready to drive really far. Because as some of you guys may know, you guys probably don't, but the last couple of months have been pretty crazy. I graduated high school, so I'm getting ready to get this car ready to be driving to go to UTI. I got accepted to UTI, so I'm going to be driving that 5 days a week. So that's all the way in Rancho, so I'm going to have to get this car completely prepared. Rancho's about 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes away. So I'm trying to get this car as daily ready as possible. I replaced, here, let me go ahead and grab the GoPro. Oh yeah, we're filming with the GoPro today. I went ahead and I replaced both doors. If you guys remember, these used to be electric windows. This one didn't work. It also didn't have a working outside door handle. Now it has cranks that work. This one as well. They're white doors though. But yeah, changed out the speedometer slash like gauge cluster, just because it didn't work. This didn't work, this didn't work, and that didn't work. So now I know how fast I'm going, how much gas I have, how hot this bitch is getting. So yeah, we're all good with that. I only have a couple more things on my list to fix. Let me see if I can read them off to you if you guys want to know. We have the brake booster and brake master cylinder. Buying those brand new because this brake pedal is very, very hard right now. It always is now. I don't know why, but yeah. This window leaks air and water if it rains, so I have a new seal I have to put on that. I have to get like Sikaflex or something to stick it on there. The timing belt's getting changed out along with the water pump. I have an exhaust leak, so I have to fix that. I fixed it 3 times already, but this time I actually ordered a real gasket. I was just using a gasket maker, RTV gasket maker, and it just keeps blowing it out at high RPMs, so gotta fix that. And then the lock ring in the back right here. And then I want to get the AC running before I start school, but I have some time for that, and who knows if I'm even gonna do that. So right now we're gonna go get gas, because as you guys saw, I have like no fucking gas. Then we're gonna head to Ontario. Might stop and get like a fucking iced coffee or something, I don't know, depends. But yeah, car's pretty daily ready, and we're gonna go ahead and head to Pick Apart. So I'll see you guys when I'm at the gas station. Got that caramel iced coffee life. McDonald's coming in. What the fuck? Oh well, McDonald's coming in clutch. Alright, we heading to the junkyard now to get that part. I'll see you guys when we get there. Here I am, sweaty as fuck, but here's what we got. We got 3 of the plugs I need right here. Yeah, so we got 3 of these. And while I was there, I actually found a valve cover, so I went ahead and picked that up. All the gaskets and stuff. Not sure if I'm going to end up using them. They don't actually look that bad. It looks fairly new, so I might. And then I got this little ashtray thing over here on the side that I was missing. So yeah, we spent about, I don't know, not even 30 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Long enough to where my ice didn't even melt, so that's good. Now we're going to start the 30-minute journey back home. I'm waiting on the FedEx guy to deliver the radiator, fans, and a little exhaust gasket to fix the leak. In the meantime, I'm probably going to end up washing this a lot. And I'm probably going to end up painting it today too, so you guys can come along for that. When I get home, I'm probably going to switch cameras to the Canon, just because I'm not a big fan of the GoPro quality. I am, but I'm not. So yeah, you guys can tell me in the comments if you like the Canon or the GoPro better. So yeah, I'm all sweaty, got both windows down. About to head home. We got about, like I said, 30 minutes. I have to pee super fucking bad. They had porta potties in there, but they were fucking disgusting. Those little portable shitters. Disgusting. They smelled like actual cow manure. Sorry to get graphic, but yeah, let's go ahead and head home. Right, so we made it home. Like I said, I got all the parts I needed. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually, I'm gonna take all the gaskets and stuff off this and clean it up, and then I'm gonna paint it. I don't plan on putting it on until I did the timing belt and water pump change that I'm gonna do. So right now I'm just gonna paint it, prep it, wash it inside and out because it's pretty bad. Take off all the gaskets. They still look good, so I'm gonna keep the gaskets. But yeah, I'm gonna put the gaskets in a box, sand it down, spray it with water, inside and out. Looks like that one had a really bad timing belt problem or something, or maybe that's grease. I don't know. It looks like rubber. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and strip this down, and yeah, radiator and fans are on their way. They should be here later today. I'm gonna do an unboxing when they get here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it for this video or for the next video, but we'll see. Yeah, I was gonna use the Canon, but the Canon's dead, so yeah. Let's go ahead and get started with the paint. Alright, so we got the valve cover getting washed off. It's drying right now, and honestly, this paint was super easy to take off. I literally sprayed it with water and the wrinkle paint just fell right off. So this shouldn't be too hard to get all this off with sandpaper. I have some really gritty stuff over there, so I'm just gonna let it dry off for a little. I'll put it in the middle of the driveway. But while that's drying off, I actually want to show you one of the things I put on not too long ago. It was a couple weeks ago. Is this muffler right here? This is a HKS high power, a genuine HKS, as you can see right there. So yeah, I doubt it added gains, if maybe little, if any, but yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my side of the garage because it's pretty dirty, and I need to make room for the parts that are coming. So yeah, so I'll catch you guys when this is done getting dried and I'm sanding it. Guys, so got the valve cover prepped as much as I could, got as much of the paint off as I could, which is not good. Degreased it, and it still looks wet, but it's actually not. It's actually pretty dry because wrinkle paint actually absorbs liquid. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I mean, if it doesn't work, I have a long time till I'm replacing the timing belt, like a week, 2 weeks or so. So if it doesn't work, I'll just re-sand it again and do it. But we're gonna go gloss white. I have about half a can of this. I'm just gonna use regular paint because fuck it. I read that it does the same shit anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clog up these two holes that I forgot, and we're gonna go ahead and paint it up. Alright guys, so we're switched to the Canon here, finally charged up and turned on. UPS guy just came, dropped off the radiator, so we're gonna go and unbox this right now. Quick update on the paint. I did actually find some high temp spray paint, so I actually used that, but it looks like shit. It looks really bad. So I'm going to try and save it with wet sanding it, and if that doesn't work, then I'm going to have to take it down to bare metal with paint thinner and just redo it. But yeah, it looks really bad right now, and I would not put that on my car looking like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the tripod. We're going to unbox this shit, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, here's the box right here. Still really dirty from the junkyard, so don't mind me. I'm sweaty, dirty, and gross right now. Oh well, fuck it. So, DNA radiator. Pretty standard stuff from eBay. Yes, it's from eBay. If you guys have a problem with it, oh well. Sorry about your luck. Yeah, so I feel like I have this box upside down. So, maybe not though. Alright. This knife is awful. Definitely needs to be sharpened. Okay, perfect. Alright, what am I missing? shit, there's staples there. Why the fuck did they put staples? Maybe I opened this wrong. Alright. Cut, retake. Let's flip it over. Maybe I did. Okay, you know what? Fuck this. We're gonna just pull it out like this. Alright, it's box number 1. Box number 2. Oh, here she is. Anything left in there? Don't think so. Still right over there. Okay. So, let's get the knife. Okay. So, here she is. Welds don't look too bad. It's a little bit damaged, like there and there. So, that sucks a little bit. But yeah. There she is, looking all nice and spiffy. Welds look pretty decent. Comes with a cap, which is pretty cool. Yeah. The welds inside here look pretty decent. Okay. I don't like how that's crooked. I might have to just like fix that or something. The welds inside here don't look horrible. So, I mean, pretty standard stuff, DNA. Alright, let's go ahead and set that right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall. If it doesn't, cry. Alright, then here's the fans, I'm assuming. They're very tiny. Expecting the fans to be a tad bit bigger. There's one fan. Like I said, pretty standard stuff here. There's the stuff to put it on. Second fan's going to be right here. More hardware. More hardware. Second fan's right here. So it's going to be something like that. Which, oh fuck, looks pretty nice. I like it. Hopefully these work as well as I think they will. I don't know. This was like $100 and something. Not too bad. I've seen people have success with it. I've seen people fail with it. Kind of a hit or miss. I decided to take the gamble. Yeah, I'm hoping this radiator lasts a while and doesn't start leaking and stuff. Got the connectors right here for that. Yeah, so that's that. That's the radiator. That's what I was waiting for. So that's the unboxing of the Speed Daddy DNA radiator. Yep, I'm gonna put it in probably next week. Makes sense, yeah. Alright, so back to our regular shenanigans today. Well, making me some some crafts in this bitch. Pretty hungry, so yeah, boiling up the water. Watching those SR guys over here. Go ahead and follow them actually. I'm going to put it on the screen, put it in the bio. Pretty cool guy. Go ahead and give him a follow. Watching his video about the fuel leak problem. About to start boiling the mac and cheese. And we're about to eat. I'm about to fucking grub right now. Got that Kraft's macaroni right here. Got that homemade iced tea life. Got the cat what are you doing? Got the cat chilling right here. We're about to grub, and I'm going to go outside and fix, or not fix, but wet sand the paint, because I'm sure it's going to be done drying by then. But yeah, this Turbo right here, Turbo the cat. Yeah, so I'm just going to grub on this real quick. Alright, just finished this bomb-ass mac and cheese, about halfway through with the tea. It's about 12:51 right now, so I'm going to go outside in a minute, do the wet sanding. First I'm going to finish my delicious homemade tea. My hands are fucking filthy. Oh my god. Alright, gonna finish up the tea and we're gonna head outside and see what's up with that valve cover. Actually, I want to talk about the valve cover real quick. The only bad part with the valve cover is where the paint was chipping off originally shows up through the paint. So what I'm going to try and do is wet sand those areas, wet sand some of the paint runs, and we'll see if we can save this valve cover or if it's just needs to be paint stripped all the way down to bare metal. I'm fine either way, but yeah. So finish up my nice tea and then we'll head outside. Alright, let me show you guys this awful job executed by me. As you can see, all the paint chips and runs, and I fucked it up, but I'm going to attempt to save it with the wet sand. Do I think it's going to work? No, I do not. Am I still going to try it? Fuck yeah. So, I'm going to go ahead and use the wet sand on there, wet it first, and you guys know how it goes. Alright, I'll see you guys if I can fix it or not. I don't know. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I wet sanded it, didn't help. So here's the final product. I can assure you it looks a lot worse in person. This is my alternative here to covering up this fucked up pitted area. I just put a good luck sticker, and I'm going to use high temp clear coat right over this all. And yeah, so that's my yeah. This looks really bad, like really bad. But I fucking hate saying this like a lot, but I'm gonna say it anyway. I'm just gonna send it. I think saying that's really fucking cringy, but nothing else describes this better. I'm just gonna send it. Oh well. This looks pretty bad, but fuck it. I'm gonna go clear coat it now. Okay, well, it's clear coated. The clear coat made it look a little bit better, I'll be honest. It covered up some of the pit marks. But yeah, we'll see how it looks when it's done being dried. It might just become a wall decoration, but I don't know. We'll see. I might have to pick up another one. Well, I'm gonna catch a shower now, go inside and start editing up this video. So I'll catch you guys not tomorrow, but I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully it's not that far away. Just moving back the trash can. Hopefully the next video is not as far away as this was. I'm trying to get back into the whole YouTube video making thing. It's been a while, so yeah, hopefully this looks good. If you want to see how it turns out, my Instagram's going to be right up here. You guys can go ahead and check it out. I'm going to have a picture of it up there so you guys can see how it looks. But yeah, that's how it's looking so far. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.